kinda wanted to. I'm cut from a different kind of meat. Mother, you kids, you had to swallow me. Forget positive, I can make a mortis, kind of more big curiosity. How I can commit to reality with my third eye's open and I like what I see. Baby, I may be crazy, but I didn't lose it, no, I set it free. I can't ignore what's on the dance floor. Was the rhythm of my heart and then it's disturbed me, but I still move my feet to slip out of this groove I'm afraid. Now to roll my boat over the falls and maybe wake up from my dream, yeah. I'm just a psycho, babe, come and go out my mind. I didn't lose it, babe, there wasn't much to fight. I'm just a psycho, babe, come and go out my mind. I'm only passing through. If you knew what I knew, if you saw what I see, you look through illusions, hallucinations, and lucid dream. And I know that meaning can be such a pretty thing to keep, but I got facts and I'm not ready. Some things to go with the bad, take out the black and make a new front. Some days I'm glad that I am a madman, and I'd rather be that than any double and I'm a mild man and can move. But I'm a little headed and clever than ever, and I'm getting better one forever at a time. Man, if figures if I was different, well then pull the plug out and let me die. Vice versa's for two. Well, who I am, I choose through all the things I do. And if it rhymes, it's true. But I hate poetry. Now with my moral compass pointing south and going down with no respect for reality. I'm just a psycho, babe, come and go out my mind. I didn't lose it, babe, there wasn't much to fight. I'm just a psycho, babe, come and go out my mind. A door is passing through, well, that was fun, goodbye.
Don't fall. One. Come on, Elise.
Now, I will control the universe, and everyone will be able to watch Splatoon 2 Let's Plays by Eggman! Now get in the fucking room!
Shoot me, you fucking coward. Do it. You won't.
I miss my wife, Tails. I miss her a lot. I'll be back.
Hey, what's up? It's me.
Stop!
I don't know how to impress upon you that physical damage done to my body does not affect me in the long term.
Oh, your friends are here.
We're here to help you, man. With what? I don't know, but I value our friendship.
Jesus Christ, watch out for that son of a bitch.
It's really cute that you're gonna defeat me with the power of friendship and all, but again, I am the devil from the Bible, so I don't know how
You
well it's gonna work.
motherfucker, you didn't let me finish.